Well, in 1933, Franklin Delano Roosevelt said, "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself, nameless, unreasoning, unjustified terror, which paralyzes needed efforts to convert retreat into advance." He said that during the Depression when people needed that confidence and we don't have that today. We have government taking away jobs rather than giving you jobs, and taking away food rather than giving you food. So that's where all the fear is coming in today. And we all need to work together and reach out to each other in need, and not make it so you're fearful that you can't feed your children. You can't afford a carton of eggs, and you get very fearful that your children won't have enough food. And so I like the idea of what FDR said, and he also talked about later on in 1941. He talked about the four freedoms. One was freedom from want. That's really significant in Norman Rockwell's his print of the grandmother serving the turkey dinner. That's very famous. But also there was freedom from fear, and freedom of worship, and freedom to what was the fourth one? Oh, freedom to have your own point of view, and freedom of speech. So these four freedoms, they are very important to us today as well. And that gave the people confidence in 1941. So we had the war ahead of us. And so that's inspirational and spiritual, from our leaders, in my opinion.